Hello. Today we're going to find out what can or can't animals do. Are you ready? This is a lion. A lion can run fast, but it can't swim. Here is a bear. A bear can climb trees, but it can't drive a car. Here is a crocodile. A crocodile can swim and bite, but it can't jump or fly. Here is a snake. A snake can climb some trees, but it can't walk or run. Here is an eagle. An eagle can fly high and see very far, but it can't swim. Here is a wolf. A wolf can run and howl, but it can't speak. Very good. Now you know what can animals do. See you next time. Bye.